Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to archive documents on ClickUp. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you got started using ClickUp and you're starting to see a lot of documents here. How do you actually go ahead and archive a document? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto a document, then click on the three dots on the upper right-hand corner, and then click on Archive. Now, once you archive a document, you actually have a tab here called Archive where you could actually see that document if you want to go ahead and retrieve it. So in order to put it back, you've just got to click on it, then click on Archive. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and archive a document on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.